Now to the major flood threat across the upper Midwest. Rescue operations in Nebraska and what's being called the worst flooding in decades. Officials declaring a state of emergency there. Several bridges washed out, the combination of melting snow and drenching rains turning deadly. Residents on the roof there in the eastern part of the state lifted to safety. Our Sam Champion tonight with the very latest.
Tonight, rescues and evacuations in the heartland. Parts of Nebraska seeing the worst flooding in decades.
There goes the Mormon Canal Bridge right there. It just washed out.
Bridges collapsing, levees breaching, all triggered by rapid snowmelt and heavy rain while the ground is frozen or saturated.
It really is very dangerous. It's moving fast. It's cold water. You do not want to get caught in it.
This Black Hawk helicopter is dropping 1.5-ton sandbags to protect the city of Lincoln's Wells. Northwest of Omaha, the National Guard rescuing 4 people from this home surrounded by water Friday. While in Waterloo, the Elkhorn River topping 24 feet, breaking the record by more than 5 feet. The water claiming at least 1 life. 2 other people are missing in the state. Dangerous flooding extending all the way to Wisconsin. Northeast of Madison, first responders going door to door this week.
It's unbelievable. I just never expected it to be this bad.
Flooding so bad that in the small town of Columbus, more than 40 people had to be rescued.
And so many were trapped by that flooding. Sam Champion joins us now live on set. And Sam, where's all this water going?
This is such a large area of flooding, Tom. Just take a look at the states that are involved here. Look at this in the big areas of green in the flood warnings from Nebraska into Iowa, also into Wisconsin. The green shows us where the worst flooding is, and many of these rivers have crested. Now look to the south because that's where the water's going. And so it's Kansas City, St. Louis, all in Missouri, also into Illinois. Those rivers will stay at flood stage well into next week.
All right, Sam, you'll be tracking the weather all weekend for us. Thank you.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.